Hey guys, say hi.
Hi. Hi. I'm playing the dollhouse stuff.
Good
All by
job.
myself.
Good job.
And I can do it nice all by myself. Now close it. There it is.
Show me again. Oh, that's so cool.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see, Stuffy.
I'm still recording, Zoe. What are you doing, Zoe?
Playing question.
You catch one? Catch purple one.
I am.
Oh, did you get him? You gotta pull up.
The pink one doesn't work. It don't work.
Oh, you gotta use a different one, sweetie.
Oh, the pink one.
Use the purple one. There you go.
Oh, wow. I want to see. I got that one. Does the blue one work too, Kaylee? Yeah. You want to play? Yeah.
Do you guys want Zuzu pets for Christmas?
Yeah. Here, Kaylee. Good job, Zoe. I want a pink one.
Yeah?
And
let me guess, what color do you want, Zoe?
I'm getting a purple, and yellow, and red.
Oh, don't try to catch the same one, see? They get stuck together.
It's supposed to do that.
I love you, girls.
I got one.
Love you.
Look at that one.
Good job. Say I love you.
I love you.